In my lesson, I am going to have 4 stations. The 4 stations include instruction, application, tech, and practice. They will rotate throughout all 4 stations throughout the class, about 20 minutes each. Each student will be given a OneNote page, which looks a little bit like this. Okay, here's our I can statements about what we are going to talk about today. The students in the instruction station will be able to read what a unit rate is, see some examples, and we will discuss some more examples for unit rate. Here's the technique of how to find a unit rate that we will also discuss. Lastly, we will discuss different ways that we could use unit rate, such as finding a better buy in the store. Students will come up to the board and practice doing problems and get peer feedback of what they have done on the board. After instruction, they will head to application station. In their online textbook, which I refer to as HMH, there is practice problems for them to complete. They can work together or by themselves in order to solve the problems. In the tech station, there is a bunch of games that deal with ratios. That is the last topic we had talked about, so just making sure that they have the skills for that topic. Last but not least is the practice station. Here's our card game where we will try to make proportions, which is 2 equal ratios. The directions are right here and allow students to play the game and get feedback from their peers. Here's an example of what the student's page will look like. They will have access to draw or type their problems, so that way they can go back to their notes when they are in the application station. At the end of the lesson, students will complete this rubric to say if they always can do the objectives, sometimes, or never. This is a way for students to tell if they can complete what they have learned in class.